Hey, real quick question. How'd you like to make money from selling videos you create with PromoWise? I'm talking about charging clients from $200 to $500 per minute of video you make. And you can keep 100% of the profits. Businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs all can pay you for the same type of videos which you can make with PromoWise in seconds. Agency license, which you can get on this page, allows you to cash in on the fact that most businesses do not have in-house video creators, and instead they hire freelancers and pay for their services. Because businesses always need more videos, the amount of work is endless, but you do need to have the cutting-edge tool to enable you to do that and stand out from other freelancers. PromoWise Agency might just be the foot in the door tool that you need for businesses to choose you instead of your competition. And you can make these videos for your clients or make it your business to create and sell these videos. If you charge just $200 a minute, you'd be able to charge $1,000 or more for 5 minutes of videos. And the best part, with PromoWise, you'll be able to create videos with ease and multiple different styles you need. Just 5 minutes of videos would take you minutes to make, and you could charge $1,000 for it. If you make 5 minutes of videos a week, you could charge $4,000 a month or $48,000 a year. Imagine what you could do if you took just a few hours a week, created 20 minutes of videos charging just $200 per minute per video. That's 20 minutes times 200 per minute. That's $4,000 a week. That's $4,000 a week times 52 weeks. $208,000 a year. All for a few hours of work a week. All right, I know that you're thinking, hey Robert, how? And here's how it works in 3 easy to follow steps. Are you ready? Step 1, you'd find clients that need video, and there are tons of them. You can head to freelancer sites, reach out to existing clients, or use one of your lead tools that you probably already own to find people who are interested in videos. Step 2, you'll find out what type of video they want and create it. And the best part of PromoWise is you're not limited to just one style of video. You can offer an array of videos. Having all these options makes it super easy to find the perfect video for your client or lead. After you figure out your client's needs, you just need to create the video, and that just takes minutes. And last but not least, step 3, collect your money. Once you've found the client, made the video, all you need to do is collect the money. And that's where you'll need just one little thing from us, the agency license, to create and sell videos made with Explaindio for profit. And once again, the best part, you get to keep 100% of the profits. Hey, so if you're still watching this video, that means that you're ready to follow these 3 simple steps to start your journey to charging $200 per minute of video or more. You can sell any video you create with PromoWise, and you can use them for your clients. And you'll keep 100% of the money you collect. That's why I'm incredibly excited to offer you instant access to PromoWise Agency License, and that means you'll have the full license to use PromoWise however you want. You can sell the videos. You can be a freelancer and find clients. You can use them for your clients as well. And you can let your team or employees create videos as they need for any project they are working on. And again, you keep 100% of the profits. All it requires is a single, one-time investment to upgrade your license to the PromoWise Agency License. The regular license gives you one PromoWise license, which is great if that's all you need. But when your business takes off, or you just don't want to do all the work by yourself, the easiest way to handle it is to let your team do it or hire virtual workers for the job. And it means that if you get more orders, you can just hire virtual workers and pay them a percentage of the profit after you are already paid by the client. And this way, not only do you not need to spend any money out of pocket, but you can profit more while working less. And it's possible because included in this agency license, you'll get access to our most desired multi-user license feature, which gives you 5 more PromoWise licenses. And it gives you the ability to have up to 5 people working for you and creating live pictures with PromoWise, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the profits that you generate. Also, for informational purposes, you will get the sample client contract template, which you can customize to make your own and have it ready for clients to sign. This is truly a tremendous deal. And due to the astonishing value of what we are offering, this special one-time sensitive early adopter price may be removed at any time without notice. And fact, I would not be surprised if the price triples when you see this page again later. Plus, you are covered by our money-back guarantee, so you have no risk and you can change your mind later. So go ahead, click the upgrade button below. And let's get your license upgraded and get you on the way to charging $200 per minute of video you make. I can't wait to see how much profit you make. I'll see you on the other side.